Samsung has officially unveiled the Galaxy S25, the latest entry in its flagship S-series lineup for 2025. While the new device may appear modest in design changes at first glance, it comes loaded with meaningful upgrades under the hood, including cutting-edge AI features, a 3nm Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, and a more compact, sustainable design, aimed at delivering the premium Galaxy experience in a smaller footprint. The Galaxy S25 retains Samsung's iconic aesthetic, now, with a slightly more boxy frame that adds a modern edge. Despite its updated form factor, the device keeps the soft curves at the corners, maintaining the comfort and familiarity that long-time Galaxy users appreciate. On the back, Samsung continues to showcase its separated triple-lens camera layout, aligned vertically on the top left, a design language that sets the Galaxy S line apart from bulkier camera modules seen elsewhere. Not only does this keep the phone feeling slim in the hand, but it also avoids the awkward camera bump that can hinder comfort. The matte finish glass back not only looks premium, but also resists fingerprints effectively, a small but appreciated detail, especially for users who prefer to use their phones without a case. The Galaxy S25's armor aluminum frame enhances durability while trimming down the weight by 7 grams compared to its predecessor, making it one of the lightest flagships in its class. With its 6.2-inch screen, the phone is a joy to use. One-handed, ideal for users with smaller hands, or those who simply want a no-compromise phone in a compact size. Samsung also made sustainability a core focus of the Galaxy S25's construction. The screen cover, back glass, side buttons, and frame are made from recycled materials, including repurposed batteries from retired Galaxy devices. According to the company, at least 50% of the carbon materials in the battery are now recycled, a notable effort toward environmentally responsible manufacturing. Despite its compact form, the Galaxy S25 delivers a top-tier display experience. The device sports a 6.2-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel with full HD resolution, 120 Hz refresh rate, and support for HDR10. With extremely thin bezels on all 4 sides, content seems to float seamlessly on the screen, enhancing the visual experience. Whether you're binge-watching Netflix, scrolling through social media, or gaming on the go, the S25's display offers rich colors, deep blacks, and excellent brightness levels for various lighting environments. Samsung hasn't made dramatic changes to the camera hardware on the Galaxy S25. It retains a 50 megapixels main sensor f1.8, 12 megapixels, ultra-wide lens f2.2, and a 10 megapixels telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. The front-facing camera is 12 megapixels, ideal for sharp selfies and high-quality video calls. The real magic this year comes from Samsung's software and AI-driven features, designed to elevate your mobile photography experience. New features include Pro Visual Engine AI-powered image processing that reduces noise and improves detail using pixel-level analysis. Macro Boost delivers up to 4x more detail in macro shots compared to the S24 series. STF spatio-temporal filter helps the camera distinguish between moving and static subjects for sharper results. Best Face lets users swap facial expressions after a photo is taken. Audio Eraser removes unwanted background noise, like wind or chatter, from videos. These enhancements transform the Galaxy S25 into a reliable, AI-powered photography tool. Whether you're shooting portraits, videos, or nighttime scenes, under the hood, the Galaxy S25 is among the first Samsung phones to use the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, Qualcomm's 3nm powerhouse, paired with 8 GB of RAM and storage options ranging from 128 GB to 512 GB. This new society promises impressive leaps in performance, 43% in NPU performance for faster on-device AI, 32% in CPU processing, 37% in GPU performance. To prevent overheating, Samsung has upgraded the vapor chamber cooling system, increasing its size by 15% over the previous generation. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or multitasking, the S25 maintains its composure. The Galaxy S25 ships with One UI 7 based on Android 15. Introducing Samsung's most ambitious set of AI features to date. The new Galaxy AI suite includes AI Select analyzes on-screen content and offers instant search or action suggestions. Circle to Search lets users search any image, text, or video by simply circling it. AI Agent, a voice assistant activated via the power button that performs advanced tasks like scheduling events or finding recipes. Generative Edit, an advanced photo editing tool that allows users to move, resize, or erase image elements without third-party apps. Samsung's focus on AI turns the S25 into more than just a phone. It's now a proactive digital assistant that learns and adapts to your daily habits. Samsung hasn't skimped on security either. The S25 features a personal data engine and Knox Vault encryption, which securely stores sensitive data away from the main OS. A quantum-resistant security layer has also been added to safeguard user privacy. In a post-quantum future, powering the phone is a 4,000 mAh battery, supported by 25W fast charging. While the capacity may seem modest, the smaller display, efficient Snapdragon chip, and optimized software help ensure solid all-day battery life. The Galaxy S, the 25th of May, not revolutionize smartphone design, but it delivers where it counts: flagship power in a compact size industry, leading AI features, and a focus on eco-conscious design. For users who value portability without sacrificing performance or premium features, the Galaxy S25 is easily one of the top contenders in 2025's flagship race.